What is the source or the cause of the ongoing problems that are bedeviling the Umkhonto weSizwe Party? What could be the cause for these ongoing problems in the MK Party? This problem seems to be unending. As we're speaking right now, there's a rift. There's a rift between Dr. John Hlophe, who happens to be the party's deputy president or deputy leader, and also happens to be the party's leader in parliament. Right? There's a rift between him and the two spoiled brats called Tutuzile Zuma and Nhlamulo Ndlela. The very same people that the former MK Party Secretary General Floyd Shivambu complained about, and a lot of people are complaining about that. These two spoiled brats are treating the Umkhonto weSizwe Party as their piggy bank, as a family fiefdom. So we've seen a letter